Hey Hellcats! 6.2 Hellcat here. Today, we're gonna do an oil change on my Hellcat with my boy here, D-Rod. He showed up like 30 minutes ago and I'm fashionably late.
Oh yeah.
Always. Alright, this bad boy's been outside for like a week now. I still need to bring her into the garage.
I got the time slip, but anyway, it took him 23 minutes to get outside.
Alright, 23 minutes. That's actually
that's
an
8 minutes.
improvement.
That's 8 minutes of improvement.
That's 8 minutes of improvement. Usually I'm at least a minimum of 30 minutes late
we're gonna watch
when they show up to my own house. This is nasty.
Like,
yeah.
How do you own a Hellcat, bro, and not even wash it?
Wow. You hear this guy talking shit over here?
Yeah, I own an SXT, bro, and I still wash it.
Alright, anyways guys, so we're gonna go to AutoZone right now to my boys work here and go pick up some oil for this oil change. Alright.
Yeah, bro, 16.99 gallons, bro. I was like,
how many?
Fucking kidding. 16.99.
16.99.
That means I had a gallon left of gas in the car.
Oof.
Running on faith, boys. We're
running on faith. Alright.
There it is. We're in, boys.
Jesus. That was almost as fast as my daily.
Wow.
Alright, we just pulled up to my boys' work here. About to go get some oil. Fill
Some
up this
synthetic
bad boy.
blinker fluid,
some synthetic blinker fluid.
Up to 10,000 blinks.
What oil should we use? What did Diego use?
It's 2050, actually.
2050, alright.
2050 weight.
2050 weight.
So. It's the smooth.
Oh.
It's the smooth.
Alright. D-Rod, where's the 5W20?
Oh, bro, they just have straight 2050 weight.
2050? Where the hell is 2050?
Right here, bro.
That's what the Hellcat needs.
2050, dude, that's racing oil.
2050 racing oil. Alright, let's pick up like 5 of these bad boys. Pull a Diego. Alright, no, but for real though, OW40 is what I use for the Hellcat. So pick up that boy. Oh shit, dude, price is going up on these things.
Yeah,
this thing's like $38.
$29.99 with the filter.
Oh yeah? Alright, so we got the filter right here, the oil filter, and we got 10 quarts of oil. The car takes 7. Alright, so we just got back to my house, guys. So we're gonna start the Hellcat, put her in the garage, get her up lifted on the jacks, and get this oil change started.
Is it even loud?
Something to say, fool? Jesus. Ooh, that shit is loud. Pop the hood.
Sounds like mine, bro, when I started in the morning.
Oh, okay. Oh, little old faithful over here has never let me down. Dude, I think my jack is a little broken.
So what happens when you buy stuff from Harbor Freight, bro?
Bro, Harbor Freight is the man, dude. Sorry I can't afford the Snap-on.
Okay. Dang. Just kidding, bro. I got one from Harbor Freight too. It was 80 bucks.
Yeah, it's
best
cheap.
deal I've ever had, bro. 3-ton.
3-ton jack?
Yeah.
Oof, not bad, not bad.
Quick math.
Alright.
Right into the plastic, bro.
Alright guys, so we just got the Hellcat up on the jack stands. We put the jack there for a little safety net, make sure nothing fails. Alright, so the first things first, for an oil change, you want to make sure you have the oil cover off right here. This guy's just singing down here. Anyways, so yeah, you want to make sure that's off. And then we also need a ratchet wrench with a 10mm socket. What is this, 10? Yeah, that's 10. So 10mm socket to take off the belly pan cover, and then you're also going to need a 13mm socket to take off the oil bolt. And then also a pair of the oil filter wrenches. You can use those to take off the filter. It's really hard to take off by hand, so I don't recommend doing that. Also, if you have an oil catch can, this would be the time to take it off. After you're done with the oil change is fine, but just want to make sure everything is brand new. The oil's all new. So and I'll show you guys if you don't have an oil catch can, I highly recommend buying one. I'll take it off at the end of this video when we're done with the oil change to see how much oil actually the catch can grabs. But it's a good investment in your engine to make. Anyways, D-Rod's down here. He's ready to start unbolting stuff. Let the oil start running down his face. All right, boys. So we're underneath the belly of the car right now. We're gonna start 13. We're gonna start loosening this bad boy up here.
Do you need Daddy D-Rod to help you?
There we go.
Yeah,
Daddy.
no.
Hell no. All right. So you're gonna want to make sure that the oil pan is a little farther back, since the oil will just shoot out.
She squirts.
Just like, you know, when you're peeing.
Who's man? Who's man's?
Is that
Are you gonna let it spill or no?
Nah,
Bro,
bro.
I'll aim for you, bro.
Okay.
I'll aim for you.
All this oil is about to squirt on my face.
Look, are you ready?
All right.
And
It's about to come out.
go.
Oh boy, here we go. All right. So make sure you don't lose this bolt.
And then also don't lose the cap, bro. There's a cap on here that's missing. I left it somewhere over there.
You lost the cap? Bro, so this thing's gonna fill up and it's just gonna come out the other side.
So look for it quick.
Oh my god. Whose man's, bro? Oh my god.
Should be like right behind you, bro.
Alright. Oh yeah, it's right here. Alright, hold up.
No, not that cap, fool. The other one.
This one, right?
Yeah. No, the other one right behind you.
The other one? This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at bro.
Damn, look at all the work I put in. Mechanics
Dang,
hands, bro.
bro.
Mechanics hands.
You throw dirt on your face yet or no?
Rub my face in oil. Alright. Alright boys, so this is the oil filter wrench. This is what we're gonna use to loosen up the oil filter itself. And also tighten it back up. D-Rod says we're supposed to hand tighten it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you're supposed to hand tighten it or
bro. Trust.
use this to
You're not supposed to tighten it
up.
all the way because then your engine heats up a lot and then the mouth of the oil filter gets really hot, so then it gets stuck. So when you try to take it off right now, it's gonna be really hard. Watch.
It might sound like he's making sense right now, but this guy just talks bullshit all the time.
Oh my god, bro. Hey, mine is hand tied. That shit hasn't came off.
Well,
You don't have a supercharger.
you have an RT, bro. It's different when you're forced induction, bro.
Oh my god. Alright, whatever.
Are you just caressing my filter, or what are you trying to do here, bro?
Feeling a nipple. Take it off.
Oh my god.
Take it off.
Damn, that's what you tell the girls?
Hey, here, let the Mexican show you, bro.
Alright.
Give it to me.
Alright. D-Rod says he knows how to do it.
Cause I do, bro.
Okay, bro.
I do, okay?
Straight drops the oil filter wrench into the oil.
I do.
I'm gonna step back for this one.
What do you mean?
No, you're not doing it right. That's not how you're supposed to.
Oh my, you want to do it this way? This is the way you want to do it?
That's how you're supposed to do it.
You're supposed to do it on the side, bro. That's why it has grooves in it.
There you go. See? My way works. There you go.
I already fucking bent the oil filter, bro.
It's the old oil filter. It doesn't matter.
No, I know, but
This
I'm
guy
just saying.
Thinks he knows Mopars just because he's wearing a hat. Mopar technician over here. There we go. All right.
You ready for it to spill everywhere?
Slowly and surely, bro.
Move it, move.
Oh my god. It's just straight rolling down your shirt. Oh my. Messing up my garage floor.
You don't even care about me, you just care about your garage floor, bro? Is that it? Wow.
Our neighbors are probably looking like, what the fuck are these guys doing again? Making the car even louder. Alright, so while we wait for the oil to come out, this is going to be the new oil filter here. And this guy's actually vlogging while I'm vlogging. Very rude. Anyways, so this is the new Mopar filter that we're going to use. You can grab it from AutoZone or pretty much anywhere, right? Walmart sells it too?
Walmart
sells it too. But yeah,
I didn't double check that, bro. It's for the RT. So hopefully it fits.
Alright, guess we're gonna find out if it fits. I'm sure it will. It looks the exact same. All right, guys. So now that the oil is pretty much completely out of the car, we're gonna go ahead and put this bolt back on. Make sure no additional oil comes out of there. Mopar specialist here doing what he does best.
Always, always.
So now that the bolt is on, we're gonna go ahead and put the new oil filter in there. So you want to make sure you lube up the oil ring right here with oil. You want to do the honor since you're already pretty
dirty.
Pretty lubed up. Gently caress.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Spit on it.
Oh.
Wow. You can be technically with the new oil, but
look at her, bro. She's waiting. she's dripping right now, bro. Fucking hurry up. All right, enough foreplay.
It's almost hard.
Enough foreplay. All right. Time to put her in, bro.
It's moment of truth, because this is for the RT.
Oh, fuck you.
It fits, bro. It's the same shit.
Okay. Damn, this isn't her first time. she knows how to work. All right. Take this oil filter wrench and tighten this bitch up.
What did I tell you, bro? It's supposed to be...
Bro, it's not supposed to be hand tightened.
Hand tight, bro. What did I say? I gotta help these Hellcat owners, bro. It's making them look bad. This guy. That's not gonna come off, but whatever. Go ahead, bro. Tighten it more.
Bro, you don't
Tighten
understand.
it more.
See, these RT owners don't understand that these forced induction cars were the supercharger. Okay? These cars...
I hope you fucking bend your new oil filter. Hope that's what happens to you.
Alright, so
go ahead. I want to see you try.
Tighten it up a little bit. Okay? Damn RT owners don't know how to work on cars.
Look at this guy.
Fast cars, at least.
Look at this guy, bro.
Alright, so we're just gonna tighten it up a little bit. See, look how loose this shit is.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna tighten it a little bit more.
You're good. This guy thinks he's gonna like lose an oil filter or something, bro.
Bro, 200 mile per hour runs is no joke. I know yours can only hit up to 80. Okay. So the extra 120 miles an hour that you can't hit, that's what counts.
Okay.
Okay, you can leave your oil filter like halfway loose and you'll be fine.
It works.
All right, guys, so all jokes aside, the oil filter is tightened up. I did tighten it a little bit with the oil filter wrench, even though D-Rod here is adamant that it just needs to be hand tightened. You can never be too sure about these fast cars. God. Okay, so this is pretty tight now. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up the bolt. Tighten this bitch up here.
You don't even know how to do that, bro. You're going the wrong way.
What do you mean it's the wrong way? This is the right way, fool. All right, so this is tight now. My God. All right.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure that it's tight. Okay.
All right, dude. When you're doing 100 miles per hour, thinking you're going fast, this flies off.
100 miles an hour ain't shit, okay? I know that's fast to you, but 100 miles an hour is like nothing to this baby over here. Old reliable. All right, guys. So everything is tightened. The new oil filter is in. The only step we have left is to put the new oil in. And also, we have to take out all the old oil from the oil catch can. All right, guys, so we just lowered the car. The car is off the jack stand, so the last step that we have to do is just put the oil back in the car. So, D-Rod, you want to do the honors here?
Yeah, bro, I'll pour it in.
All right, let's pour it in. Let's get the funnel ready, make sure nothing gets all messy. Put the bad boy right there. D-Rod here is lagging it.
Oh, bro.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Hey, please, can you do it slower? Slower. Wow. So for those of you guys that don't know, you can check the oil level, like pretty much how much oil is in the thing. So this is going to be quarts. Yeah, so this is 2 quarts, and then liter, obviously, this could be 5 liters. It's not balanced, so otherwise it would be completely straight, right? Yeah. So we're just pretty much going to have to drop it down to this level. So the oil right now, it's right here. We're gonna want it down here to make it 7. So that's 2 quarts right there. That's perfect. All right, so guys, so we got a full 7 liters, not 7 liters, 7 quarts in the oil. So we're gonna go ahead and get this out of here. Make sure nothing drips down here. Look at that, you got it? All right. And then you're gonna wanna put this bad boy back on. All right, and the last step, if you guys have a catch can, well, this is pretty much the last step, but if you do have a catch can, you're gonna want to empty out your catch can as well. Make sure it's all fresh and brand new. So it's pretty simple, just twist it off. It's
We
not too
emptied
bad.
it.
Oh, we did empty it before, huh?
Yeah,
so there's not too much in here,
Not
but
bottle.
oh, that's right. We changed not too long ago. So there's still a decent amount in here, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. It's better than going into the intake manifold. So just gonna go ahead and empty that one back in here. This is all the old oil. All right, guys, so the one final step that we actually forgot, you got to make sure to reset your oil life so you know when to do an oil change again. Obviously, you can check the dipstick as well, but technology these days. All right, so you're going to want to get into the car, put the car into run mode here.
Run.
Is in run. And then you're going to want to go to performance. Wait, no, not performance. I'm sorry, vehicle information here. Let me close the door so it doesn't make the noise. All right, so we are gonna go to oil life. And you're going to hold OK to reset.
100%.
There you go. And that's pretty much it.
Start the car.
Start her up. Guys, and that's pretty much how you do an oil change on the 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and comment what we should do next. We have a lot of big things planned for this car. Let us know what you guys want to see in the future videos. Peace.